find a comfortable position and allow yourself to settle into this moment. You may sit on a chair, sit cross-legged, or lie down comfortably. Rest your hands gently in your lap. Turn your palms upward if you wish to receive positive energy, or place them downward to feel grounded and connected to the earth. There is no right or wrong way to do this. Simply choose what feels best for you. Now, gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, allowing your belly and chest to expand. And slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension you may be holding. Again, breathe in deeply and exhale completely. One more time. Breathe in peace and breathe out anything that no longer serves you. Allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. There is nowhere else you need to be, nothing else you need to do. This moment is entirely yours. Bring your awareness to your body. Notice the weight of your body resting beneath you. Feel supported, safe, and present. Become aware of your breath flowing effortlessly. Your body is working for you every single moment. Your heart beats faithfully. Your lungs breathe without effort. Your mind processes countless thoughts, and your body carries you through each day. Take a moment to appreciate this incredible gift. Silently say to yourself, "Thank you, body. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for protecting me. Thank you for carrying me through every day." Feel a warm sense of gratitude growing inside your heart and gently spreading throughout your entire chest. Now bring your attention to yourself as a person. Think about your strengths, your kindness, your resilience, and everything you have overcome. Reflect on all that you have learned and the person you continue to become. Perhaps life has presented challenges and obstacles, yet here you are, still standing, still growing, still becoming stronger. Take a moment to honor yourself. Silently repeat, "I am grateful for who I am. I am grateful for my journey. I am grateful for my growth. I am grateful for my strength." Allow a gentle smile to appear on your face. Now think about the people in your life. Someone who makes you smile. Someone who supports you. Someone who loves you. Or perhaps someone whose kindness touched your life, even for a brief moment. Picture them clearly. Feel their presence. Send gratitude toward them. Silently say, "Thank you. Thank you for being part of my life. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your presence." Allow your heart to become even warmer. Now expand your awareness even further. Think about your home, your bed, clean water, fresh air, nourishing food, the warmth of the sun, the beauty of the sky, and the earth beneath your feet. There are countless blessings surrounding you every single day, many that we often forget to notice. Today, you choose to notice. Today, you choose to appreciate. Silently repeat, "I am grateful for this life. I am grateful for this moment. I am grateful for all that surrounds me." Imagine a beautiful golden light glowing inside your heart. With every inhale, it grows brighter. With every exhale, it spreads throughout your entire body, into your shoulders, your arms, your hands, your stomach, your legs, and your feet. Now imagine this warm golden light surrounding your entire body, creating a peaceful sphere of gratitude that protects, heals, and supports you. Remember, this feeling is always available to you. Whenever life feels difficult, whenever stress appears, or whenever you need peace, you can always return to this moment. Take one final deep breath in, hold it gently, and slowly release. Now silently repeat these affirmations. I am grateful. I am enough. I am blessed. I am at peace. My life is filled with abundance. My heart is open. I welcome joy. I welcome peace. I welcome gratitude. Allow these words to settle deeply within you. Take one final moment to simply be. No thoughts, no expectations, just gratitude, just peace, just this beautiful moment. Begin to bring awareness back to your body. Gently wiggle your fingers, move your toes, roll your shoulders. Take one final deep breath in and slowly exhale. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this beautiful feeling of gratitude with you throughout the rest of your day. And remember, there is always something wonderful to be thankful for. Namaste.